Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. So it is currently let me see, it's actually kind of late. It is 11:45. Today is Friday, December the 13th. I actually woke up from a nap not too long ago. Last night I was feeling a little bit sick. I felt like I was getting sick. You know, when you start feeling like pressure right here, and then like my nose just felt really stuffy. I don't know if you guys can hear my voice, but I feel like I'm getting sick again. And it's so weird because I am that person that rarely gets sick. I just don't get sick, but I was sick about a week or 2 weeks ago from my throat. I couldn't talk, and then now I just feel like I'm coming down with something. So I don't have anything planned today. I'm actually home alone. Brian is off to work, Lonnie is off to school, my sister is working. So I think what I'm gonna do is just clean with you guys, and I'm probably gonna take you with me to go donate some clothes from Lonnie's stash. I usually go through her closet every now and then, and I'll just take out old clothes that she doesn't wear anymore, shoes that don't fit her, clothes that don't fit her. And I usually take it first to Kid to Kid. Kid to Kid is a place where you can sell gently used clothes from your kid, and whatever they buy from you, I usually just get in-store credits, and I'll just get her more clothes which is like a vicious cycle because she has so much clothes, it's ridiculous. But anyway, so I think I'm gonna go do that, and then usually the clothes that they don't take, I will go take it to donate. And all this clothes is in pretty good shape, but sometimes they won't take clothes because they have too much of that size, or they're not taking summer clothes, or whatever it is. So I'm probably gonna do that today, but I first gotta clean downstairs. Lonnie, this is my second living room. You guys have seen the one upstairs. So we recently just moved the couches because, oh, hi Cleo, hi Cosmo. We actually had these couches together, so these actually go together, and these were right here. So we recently moved everything to this couch over here, and then this couch over here, so we have more of an open space. Cleo's just staring at me. So I definitely gotta clean down here. This is Brian's area because he's a huge gamer, so I'm gonna just slightly clean his part. I don't like to mess with his stuff too much. But we got some like stuff on the floor, as you can see, papers, a blanket, that's where I was napping, drinks, and then her little wagon. She always brings out this mat thing that we got for her when she was doing gymnastics. She doesn't go to gymnastics anymore, but she still does tons of cartwheels and like back handsprings and all those crazy things. Over here, she loves to do stuff like this where she like throws blankets and like she'll lay down and watch TV. And there is our elf. I don't think I've done this with you guys yet, and I might do it one of these mornings. It's just really hard to do it early in the morning because Lonnie goes to school pretty early, but she will have winter break, not this week. Pretty much this is her last week of school, and then all next week she will be off. So more than likely you guys will be seeing our morning routine, mine's and Lonnie's. And we do the elf on the shelf for her because she loves it. She loves elf on the shelf. So, and we can start doing some cleaning and putting away stuff down here, and then I'll get ready and we can go donate some clothes. So I'm actually gonna have a bite to eat before I start cleaning, because if I don't eat now, I'm not gonna eat till like 3 o'clock. I already know myself. I am having leftovers from last night's dinner, which I totally forgot to vlog. But if I make dinner tonight, I will definitely vlog it. So all I did was I bought 2 pounds of chicken. I already had chicken breast. I cut it up into like slices, and then I cut it across the middle. And then you just want to cook it with your normal oil. I use olive oil. After it's cooked, then you want to add broccoli cheese, which is this one right here. And I actually got the recipe from here. It gives you a really cool and yummy recipe. So if you guys see this, pick this up. It's super simple. And all I did is I added some broccoli, and then the broccoli cheese, and then you add a little bit of milk so it's not so thick, and it's so good. So good. Okay, you guys, I am about to clean my living room. I usually like to watch TV when I'm cleaning downstairs, and guess what? Guess what I'm watching? Yep, a crime show. I'm actually going to watch, let me see what's on. It's called Dateline Secrets Uncovered. This is one of my favorite shows. It's on the channel Oxygen. So I'm just gonna clean and you guys can watch me, and then I'm gonna open 2 boxes that I have from yesterday. One is a PR and one is a purchase that I made at Ulta. So we're gonna do that. I'm just gonna probably fast forward all this, but let's get to cleaning. Okay, so I just finished cleaning. I'm going to show you guys a PR package that I got. This is from Glow Recipe. So this is what it looks like. It comes in this little pouch, which is actually a really cute pouch, like to take with you. Oh my god, I'm totally going to use this. And then they always send the cutest little stickers. I usually save these for Lonnie and I just give them to her because she loves stickers. And then they sent over, this looks like a little handkerchief or something. I'm not sure. It's like a silk and it has little bananas all over it, which is super cute. So this is their new moisturizer. Again, this is the Banana Souffle Moisture Cream. This is for calming and for hydrating. What it looks like. This is so cute. I can't wait to use this tonight. I can't really smell anything. My nose is kind of clogged, but I bet you it smells super yummy. So that is the package that I got from Glow Recipe. So shout out to Glow Recipe for always hooking me up with like their launches. I'm gonna use this for like when I take my lipsticks on the go. I'm not sure what this is, but it's cute and I'm sure Lonnie's gonna like it. So the other package that I have here is actually something that I ordered from Ulta, I believe. So I was looking on the Ulta website because I noticed that NYX had some new launches, and they launched this Pro Foundation palette, which is this one. This is tiny. I really didn't think this was gonna be this small. Ooh, I'm kind of bummed out. I really thought this was going to be a lot bigger. It's pretty cool, I guess, but now that I see it, I'm like, do I really need it? I don't know. If you guys want to see a review on this, let me know, but I really thought this was going to be a lot bigger than it is. Alright, you guys. So I did really simple makeup because I just am not in the mood to do a full face, and I ended up getting more packages, so we can open these when I get back home. But I just wanted to show you guys really quick my little outfit. I don't know, can you guys even see? You can't even really see it, but I'm just wearing my little excuse me, my voice, my little comfy boots with these American Eagle jeans. I'm wearing a black crew neck sweater that I got from Walmart, and I just paired it with my oversized leopard coat, and that's literally it. Like, it's so cute, comfy, and easy. I have all the stuff ready to go, so we're gonna go donate that clothes, and then we're probably gonna pick up Lonnie, and that'll be it. So let's go. Okay, you guys, so I'm just now leaving the place. Woo! It's the place right there. So I just got her some things. I'll show you guys what I got her. Show you guys what I got Lonnie. Again, keep in mind some of this clothes is like secondhand store, or some of it is actually brand new. For example, this right here, and I hope she likes it, because when it comes to outfits like this, she's so picky. She lets me dress her, which I am glad that she does, because she is like a mind of her own, that girl. But I ended up getting her this dress, and this one was brand new. It still had the tag. This one was originally $18.99. I'm pretty sure it was cheaper, but I got this one for $9, and it's a size 6X, and it's actually a dress, and it's like a leopard dress, and it has this, like, I don't know what they call this, like the eyelash, something like that. It's really weird. I'm saying that I hope she likes it. I know she will, but when it comes to material like this, she'll be like, Mom, it itches, Mom, it's itchy, Mom this, Mom that. I ended up finding her this really cute skirt. So tomorrow is Saturday, and we're actually all gonna go out for my sister's birthday. Her birthday is the 16th of December, but we're celebrating it early because it falls on a weekday and everybody works. So I wanted to get her something cute. She loves wearing like skirts and dresses, but you guys know I live in Utah and it is so cold, and it might rain or snow tomorrow. So I ended up finding her this really cute like Christmas-y skirt, and then I ended up buying her a bow so she can match it with the skirt. These, I think they make them or they buy them from a retail, because these are brand new. These are $3 or $4. And then I actually found her a shirt that matched the outfit really cute, which is from Old Navy. This is a size 6-7, and this is what it looks like. It's super cute, and this one was $4, and it was also 50% off. So I only got it for $2, and I think this with the outfit is gonna be super cute because it has a little bit of gray, like plaid gray, and then she has some stockings or some leggings that she can wear under, and she has these really cute black boots that I recently got her from Walmart. So I'm gonna head out to go grab her, and then I don't know what else I'm gonna do, you guys. I don't have anything planned. I think I'm just probably gonna go home, make her some food, and relax for the rest of the day. So we just got home. I'm actually hungry. Why am I always hungry? So I'm gonna show you guys how to make my favorite wraps. And Lonnie's home from school. Look at her wearing it's not lipstick, it's cupcake frosting. Tell me why she's wearing it as a lipstick. Why are you wearing that? It's not lipstick.
Well, just because it's pretty.
Okay, well, are you hungry?
Huh?
Do you want to eat something?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm going to show you guys how I make this yummy wrap with tuna. I love tuna. Do you want some tuna too?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm going to make her some tuna. She loves tuna with corn and mayonnaise. And I'm going to show you guys how I make tuna wraps. They're pretty healthy, and they're so bomb, and they're so filling because I love tons of veggies on mine. So let's go to my kitchen, and I'm going to show you guys what we're going to eat, right? Mm-hmm. So I'm going to start with tuna. I probably eat 1 can of tuna, and Lonnie eats about maybe half or almost a can of tuna. She probably eats about half. So I'm going to separate both of ours because I'm going to put tomatoes in mine, and I don't think she wants hers. I'm going to drain my water. I'm going to cut it as tiny as I possibly can. It just depends on if you like tomato. I actually don't mind it. So you can cut it small, big, medium size, but usually if you cut them small, I don't know, I feel like it tastes better, you know? So I'm just going to cut up all my tomato, and then, like I said, we're going to mix it with the tuna and the corn. And then you just want to give it a quick little mix.
Don't throw this away because it's special.
Just like that. And then I'm going to grab some condiments. You guys can add whatever condiments you guys like, but I'm going to add some, let's see. I'm going to add some garlic salt onto mine. Can you open this, please? Yeah. I'm going to put a little bit of garlic salt, and then I'm going to add a little bit of black pepper. Do you want to add that for me?
Yeah.
You just twist it in there. Then we're going to add our mayo. I love this one, the olive oil mayo. This one is super yummy, and obviously it contains olives, which are a healthy fat. So we're going to add some of this. Can you add some?
Yep.
I have my little assistant. So squirt that mayo in there. You can also mix sour cream into this, but I actually just ran out of sour cream, so I have to use only mayo. So, alright.
That's enough.
I think that's actually good. You can make it a little bit thicker, but I'm still gonna add a little bit of 1,000 Island sauce. So then what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take my wraps. These are my favorite ones, the sun-dried tomato basil. I've tried the green ones and honestly they're not that good. I mean, they're good, but I don't know, I just prefer these. So we're gonna take this and we're gonna put it in our little comal. Be careful because it's hot. And I'm not gonna cook it for too long because obviously you don't want your wrap to like break or the tortilla to get too hot. So this has been getting hot for probably about 2-3 minutes. And I just kind of like turn it really quick. Make sure that everything is nice and warm because I don't like cold tortillas. Okay, so I have my little tortilla ready and I'm gonna add my tuna. And you can really add anything. You can add ham, chicken, steak, whatever you want. But this is just kind of like a quick and super easy and delicious meal that will definitely nice. That's chili, dude. Look. She just got this all over herself. Oh my god, go take that off. And wash your hands because this is chili. It's gonna burn your eyes. Oh my god, she was trying to open it and it splattered all over her. Are you okay? Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna add some spinach. You can add lettuce or whatever you want, but I prefer spinach. I don't know, I just think it tastes better. So I go pretty heavy hand with my spinach, and mine is kind of going bad, which is why I'm trying to use it, because if not then it's totally gonna go to waste. And then after you've done that, I love these. I love the pepperoncini, I think that's how you pronounce them, because it gives it an extra little crunch. And I love chile, even though these are not spicy, but they just give it an extra flavor. This is actually one of the ends of the chile. You don't want to eat that. I love these, the banana peppers. I think that's how you call them as well. So I add tons of it. Then I'm also going to add some cheese. This is what I have, the cold jack cheese. So I'm just gonna add some cheese to mine. And then I'm gonna add on top of that a little bit of this Thousand Island with bacon dressing. This is so yummy.
It almost did all of it.
Yeah, it could have spilled in your eyes. That would have burned. And this is it. This is your wrap. And let's have a taste test. It's really, really good. I think that is it for today, you guys. Again, I'm sorry that this video was a little bit more boring, but I will try to make it a little more interesting for the upcoming days. I just didn't want to pile so much stuff into the first 2 days because I want to make sure that I stick with the 12 days of Vlogmas. I do have a makeup video that I might put up either today or Saturday or Sunday. I'm not sure. But I will definitely have that up for you guys sometimes this week that I had filmed already. So it's just sitting there ready to go. So that is it for today's Vlogmas day number 2. I hope you guys kind of enjoyed watching me clean and really not doing much. I'm not going to do anything else for the rest of the day. And if I do end up doing anything, I will be sure to vlog it. So thanks for joining me and I'll see you tomorrow.